You want to accelerate your career by getting certified, and you are stuck between CMRP and CRE, which one certification to take. And this is very common. This is one of the common question that's everybody ask while giving CMRP or CRE exam. Which one should I choose? Should I choose CMRP or should I choose CRE? Or even if I choose both, which one will I choose first? Whether it will be CMRP or it will be CRE. So in this video, I have tried to clarify all your doubts. So please watch the video till the end so that you get proper clarification over your doubts. So CMRP exam, which full form is Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, it is mainly focused on the skills required to effectively manage and sustain an effective maintenance and reliability program for a equipment or and facilities. So, and uh, what is the body of knowledge, or what this exam actually verifies your knowledge in these 5 areas divided into these 5 zones. First is the business and management. Second is um, manufacturing and process reliability. Third is equipment reliability. Fourth is people skills, and fifth is work management, which includes like planning, scheduling, these things. So if you already now, the first thing you should do is give marks on all these 5 areas, how much knowledge you have in the range 1 to 5, right? Be honest to yourself and give some marks. How how you score into all these 5 areas. Okay, now go into CRE. Check what is the CRE's body of knowledge and what is CRE mainly focuses into. So CRE exam is mainly focused on the skills needed to ensure product and manufacturing reliability. So it includes reliability management, probability and statistics of reliability, reliability in design and development, reliability modeling and prediction, reliability testing, maintainability and availability, data collection and use. So you have understood that this is more related to the product and manufacturing, right? And it involves lot of skills in statistics, right? So only thing that is common between these two exam is this maintainability and availability, and reliability management. These two sections are almost common to this both exam, and also the probability and statistics of for reliability. So CRE exam goes into much deeper for this product probability and statistics, but CMRP also needs the basic knowledge of probability and statistics in the reliability domain. So now you can also mark your skills in the range of 1 to 5 in CRE. Okay, and now compare what is your total marks in percentage. I mean, because here it is 7 skills and that there is 5 skill, to calculate that how much you have skills you have uh, regarding this particular exam. Now which one exam is for you? If you are already involved like in maintenance, if you are involved in maintenance and seeking more responsibility in that area, then CMRP exam is for you. If you are involved in quality initiatives and also involved in design cycles of the product, then CRE is for you. But having said that, this is not like a boundary that really prohibits you from giving one exam from another. But uh, I would say that this is the starting point. If you have more experience in maintenance, you go for CMRP first, and then you think that you want to explore in the areas of product designing and product development, then you can opt for CRE also. This is it is not that you cannot crack CRE if because if you study sufficiently and study good resources and get trained, you can pass CRE also. Again, the opposite thing, like you have the knowledge in the product development and you are good in statistics and probability, but you don't have any experience in maintenance. So, will it be a good idea to opt for CMRP? Well, CMRP exam particularly tests about the person's practical knowledge. There are questions which are situation based. So even if you study lots of material, there is still a chance that you will not be able to answer the situation based questions, right? So it needs to have some extent of practical exposure for giving CMRP exam. Having said that, I have seen many person who have never have no practical exposure to maintenance field, but they have studied all the resources and they have taken very good training and they are able to pass the CMRP exam. And this gives them an opportunity to change their field also. So this is in nutshell. Uh, I hope that you are to some extent clear what you need to do now. If you have some more doubts, you can reach out to me over the comments and I will definitely answer to your queries. Thank you.